Prime Big Deal Days. Welcome to another FEMITECH video tutorial. For this episode 1 we'll be looking at the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Here are some reasons why you need to buy a Roborock S7. 1. All the mess created by your small child or children will be taken of, as this robot makes it so convenient for you by doing all the work related to cleaning up the mess. 2. Go to hell is what you will say to dirt and dust when you get your Roborock S7. With Roborock your floor and carpets will be free from dust and dirt forever. Free, so free. This thing works and works very well. It works on both even and uneven surfaces. This is due to the fact that its floating rubber brush stays very close to the floor to allow deeper cleaning. 3. With Roborock S7 you need not move and disorganize the things in your house, as the robot can detect and avoid colliding with objects on the floor. 4. This robot is so intelligent, it can do what is called auto mop lifting. This is where it can tell the difference between hard floors and carpets and will automatically lift and lower the mop when needed. Thanks for watching, please remember to share and like the video.